Peace, family. It's your brother Pyro. The name of this dissertation is called Solar Rays and African Breath Science. Now, our sun is 93 million miles away from the planet Earth, and it takes about 8 minutes for the rays of the sun to touch the soils of the Earth. Solar rays are the sustaining force of biomineralization and life force to the Earth's equilibrium and health. Human beings have a symbiotic relationship with the planet and natural cycles. Our physical anatomy is structurally aligned to process with this geological balance. As melanated beings, we're unique in this arrangement because we are the primogenitors of humanity and custodians of psycho-spiritual constructs. Therefore, our internal matrix works in conjunction with the planets, stars, and electrical fields. The sun releases at least 13 distinct instructional codes that affect the Earth and our DNA. Within this resonating of plasma, there are gases and transiting metals. These energies are condensed in the forms of isotopes. These energies travel in plasma orbs to the planet Earth, after which transforming in composition inside of the Earth's 7 magnetic fields. Now, our nose, or our nasal pyramid, is the vestige by which this transformation takes place. This gland, called the conch, now it's medically known as the middle nasal conch shell, like as if there was a conch shell. It dynamically meshes the heat, air, and moisture in a spiral formation. This transformation feeds the brain positive electrons and stimulates the nervous systems. Gold is transferred in trace amounts in chemical aggregates around the pericardium, the bag that encases the heart. These gold deposits channel into the endocrine system, i.e. the chakras or the wheels of life. The deeper the abdominal breathing, the more cosmic gold dust, and there's fourth seat expansion, or the heart chakra expands. This makes the auric field and internal matrix diamond body enhanced and stronger. Now, in nature-based systems, this is the science of African breath. The fire breath practices were done by the Zulu, the Kong Bushmen from the Sahara, and they all inhale the life force that was channeled through the conch. And it was a means of ancestral invocation and cosmic interface. This alchemy was activated in the lower Bobarich knot, which is a gangular plexus, which is like maybe 6 inches below the navel. Now, this golden pot was also known as the coiled serpent, or the ancestral brain. Thus, this inherent deity link was also symbolized by the wind. Our ancestors were called the wind. And we would take in these etheric forces and they would turn to electromagnetic impulses. So meditation was the receiver, and the carbon matrix vestige and the inner mind images that happened in the brain allowed us to have this divine communication. Now, we hear a lot about the yogis, swamis, and the mystics, but very little about the original African breath sciences. The melanated brain contains carbon, copper, and quartz, and all this helps to transmit this gold cosmic dust that comes in the form of etheric energy that transforms in our nasal conchula. Our melanin is an external form of vibratory soul force. So the internal arts practiced world over can find their root and origin in African breath sciences. Different principles and variations of this indigenous parent art were also known as the dark arts, the royal arts, alchemy, the dragon breath, Huna, fire breath, and Kung science. Solar rays and African breath science. Peace.